Tempolor AI tutorial and review. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to review Tempolor AI and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Tempolor AI, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Tempolor AI, it is an AI-powered music generation platform that helps users create original, royalty-free music for various creative projects, including videos, podcasts, advertisements, games, and social media content. Using artificial intelligence, the platform can generate complete songs, instrumental lyrics, and vocals from simple text prompts, or by analyzing uploaded videos to produce matching background music. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, or alternatively, click the link or click the Get Started button on the top right corner that you will see. As you can see, I've already logged in or signed in my account in here. So now to start, you have an option to start generate with audio or start uploading a video. By clicking this one, audio, all we need to do is simply choose here the audio file to upload, or alternatively, you can even add or choose here the sample audio file in here. However, upon clicking on it, you should be able to hear the sound of it. While for video, you have an option also in here to upload an old video or from your computer files. Or alternatively, choose here the sample, for example this one. By clicking this recommended music, it will analyze the video. It will create a probable or a sample music for this one, since it uses an artificial intelligence to analyze what should be the background music of a specific video. Now after scanning the video, it will show you below here the possible result or possible audio files that you can choose from for this kind of video. You can even choose different kind of categories such as different kind of mood, theme, genre, instrumental, and many more. For example, I'm going to click this one. Then you should be able to hear this sound. Then you could also try the other kind of option in here to choose from by simply playing some of the audio. And basically you have an option also to start downloading the audio in here, so you can see by clicking the download button. Or alternatively, you can even share the audio in here. Clicking this one, you can copy the link, share to Facebook, X, or Twitter, and many more. So as you can see, you can simply scroll down to look for a specific kind of audio that you prefer in here by simply playing all of this in different kind of category that you prefer. Now aside from that kind of feature, you could also navigate here this instrumental generator. By clicking on it, it will automatically show us in here on the left side panel the music prompt that we can simply add or enter in creating the instrumental, in which it is basically designed to create original royalty-free instrumental music without vocals. It's supposed to help user quickly produce background music that matches a specific mood, genre, or theme for projects such as videos, podcasts, and many more. All we need to do is simply enter the prompt and also select preferences like the genre, the tempo, and emotion. Users can simply generate customized instrumental tracks without needing music composition. We have here also an option to choose from for the chord progression and many more. So basically, using this kind of feature, it saves time, reduces production costs, and helps creator avoid copyright issues while enhancing the quality and atmosphere of their content. And now aside from that, on the left side panel, you can navigate also this workstation, in which you should be able to see here some of the audio that you have been choosing earlier. Moving on, you could also choose the playlist in here or create a new playlist by clicking this plus button and enter on this pop-up window the name of the playlist that you prefer. So for instance, I'm going to enter here the name of the playlist, If Life is Music. Now as you can see, it is now being created. And now aside from that, you could even navigate here this MIDI render, in which it is designed to convert MIDI files into realistic high-quality audio using AI-generated instrument sounds. The purpose of this is to help musicians, composers, and content creators to transform music or simple MIDI compositions into polished music without manually assigning virtual instrument. So for example in here, I'm just going to simply select some of the key on this piano, and after that it will automatically show us upon playing it the sound of this combination key that we just input, which sound like this. And aside from that, users can enhance the sound of their MIDI files by applying different instrument styles. Now moving on, you have here also the system's splitter, in which it is designed to separate a song into its individual audio components such as vocals, drums, bass, piano, and other instruments. The purpose of this is to give users a greater control over audio editing by allowing them to isolate, remove, or modify specific parts of a track. Now aside from this, we also have here this AI music toolkit, in which there's a variety of options to choose from, such as pop music generator, rock music generator, EDM music generator, and many more, as you can see, in which it is an AI-powered music production tool that is designed to simplify and enhance the music creation process. The purpose of this is to provide creators with features such as music generation, lyric writing, vocal creation, instrumental production, MIDI rendering, stem splitting, and many more. So for instance, we're going to use AI music or similar song in here. To generate a similar song, all we need to do is simply upload here a file from our computer and navigate here to click create in doing so. Well, aside from that, you can even navigate here, for example, this pop music generator by clicking generate now button. You'll be directed here, so you can click this button once more, and after that just do the same process of uploading here or simply entering here the music prompt, then choosing the right lyrics for you, either to customize or automatic in here using AI. You can even choose the voice by simply clicking or choosing here to play some other artists or sample. Upon clicking on it, you should be able to hear what the voice sounds like. You have also the option to voice clone by simply uploading your own voice. By clicking on it, click I understand, upload the recording, or simply record your voice in here, in which using AI it will automatically use your voice also to copy it with the lyrics in here. Now moving on, aside from that, if you also have some other feature you want to explore, just go to the search option, and in here you can start searching for it depending on the categories, the kind of style that you prefer, and many more. Well, if you have other concern, you could also click go to agent, and upon clicking on it, you can create here or start navigating here this tune AI if you have some other features you want to explore. And now in terms of the pricing plan that they offer, you can simply click the pricing option on the top right corner. In here on the top panel, it will show us the plan that they offer. We have here the Lite, Pro, and Ultra plan with the corresponding prices and list of benefits including on each plan. So basically, the importance of using Tempolor AI lies in its ability to create the music creation faster, easier, and more accessible for everyone regardless of their musical experience. And by using AI, it enables users to generate original royalty-free music, instrumental lyrics, and vocals in just a few minutes, which help the content creators, marketers, educators, game developers, and businesses save time and reduce production costs while avoiding copyright issues. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Tempolor AI. Thank you.